today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Allure Beauty Box for May. Now, I actually did not end up filming the video for April because of everything going on. It was like very much delayed, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is May. Maybe it was March. You know what? I don't even know what month this is because I haven't even opened it yet, but it just showed up at my door and we're gonna go ahead and open it. So welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where we always embrace the hot mess. It's a judgment, stress-free, drama-free zone, so hopefully you decide to stick around. Thank you guys so much for using my affiliate links down below in my description box. Those are magic links and other links that I do use to put right back into our channel. Same with our Patreon donations. I use those donations to purchase things for you guys to review and unbox for you guys over here on our channel. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I believe it is the May Allure Beauty Box. Like I said, it could be April. I honestly don't know. I really have no idea. This box is a monthly subscription box. Like I said, it's from our Patreon donations that I do purchase this to unbox for you guys. This is a $15 a month plus tax box, and it does come with a nice variety of high-end and affordable deluxe size samples. Sometimes you do get some full-size samples in here. So we always get a little pamphlet in here, and in the pamphlet it tells you about each product. Sometimes there's coupons in here, as well as a little bit about the item, where to purchase it, and little mini reviews on the products that people, you know, that people have wrote since using the product. My family's walking through. My husband's also making me a skinny margarita. Husband for the win. Lots of brownie points. Okay, so let's jump in. This is what it looks like, and I will say that I love these boxes. If you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know back in 2017 when I started this channel, I was unboxing this and I had gotten away from it for a while, but I'm back and I'm pretty happy with it. So the first item is by Allure, I guess is how you say it. It says, welcome to Skin Wellness. It's a resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. This is cute. It's 0.67 fluid ounces, and it looks like it's in like a resealable type of container. Let's see if I can find any information on it. It goes on as a cream, thickening as you rub it in. Then with water, it turns into a foam that cleanses without leaving skin squeaky clean. Maybe I should not read it verbatim. Anywho, you guys hear the margarita being made. It does have a retail value of $12.99 for a full size. If you enter code Allure25 at checkout, you will receive 25% off, and that's at acure.com. Welcome to a house full of people. Okay, so the next side, this has to be full size. This is awesome. Okay, so this is AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. I don't know. Again, it's just like with every subscription service, you have to keep an open mind because you're going to sometimes find out about brand new brands you've never heard about, and they become your favorite. Just saying, like these Versali drops over here. I don't know if you can see them in frame, but it's over there and I love them. I mix them. Here comes the hubs. I need a straw. I need a straw. Okay. Okay, well, cheers, friends. Never done this before, but whatever, living our best quarantine life. So a little bit about this. This is full size. It does have a retail value of $28.99, and you actually can find this brand at Target. It says, you know that feeling when you've finally been let in on a secret in a mix of pride and whatever. It's just an eye cream, and I'm not gonna read it because like I get goofy when the husband is around. Thanks, babe. Appreciate it. Why do I get like that? Oh, that's good. That's sugar-free?
Yeah.
All right. We love that for us. Okay, so really excited about this. Like I said, full size, retail value $28.99, and again, this box is $15 plus tax. So we've already made our money back just on this one little product. Moving right along, the next item is the VDL Luma Lair primer. Oh, this is either crazy expensive or this is a deluxe size sample, I would hope. Let's see what we can find on this. This cannot be full size because full size is $32. It says this is the first time okay, this is going to be a review that I am reading. It says the first time I saw this K Beauty primer was at a masterclass with makeup artist Namvo, sorry. She concentrates it on the high points of the face with a technique she calls underpainting. She blends foundation on top, then paints the primer onto the same areas again, all to create the glowiest, glassiest skin possible. I feel like I need to try this. Wow, okay. So it does have a retail value of $32. You can find this at Ulta, and I do plan to now attempt to put that together because that sounds really neat. So you layer it, you put it on, you put your foundation on, and then you put this right over top of the foundation to get a glowy, glassy skin like look or whatever. So Skin Ink Supplement Bar, my daily dose of glow. So this is what the package looks like, you guys. This has a retail value of $65. It does have a coupon code Allure20 at checkout. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Hopefully my camera is picking up the little beads and ball looking things in here. It's like a bougie glass type of, that is so neat component. Okay, so let's read what it says on the box. After 1 day, visibly boost the skin's radiance. After 2 weeks, skin looks clear. After 1 month, skin hyperpigmentation appears to be visibly improved. And after 1 month, 100% saw skin appears more luminous. It says nothing beats my daily dose of glow for skin that radiates youth, health, brighter than the stars. Specially formulated with a cocktail of purely encapsulated vitamin A, hyaluronic acid, chlorella, I don't know what that is. The Savior Serum empowers you to get glowing just in a few. Welcome to my skincare regimen. I'm pretty excited about that. Again, $15 box. And this little beauty is $65. You can pick it up at iloveskincareinc.com. And again, Allure20 saves you 20%. Okay, the next item is by Curology, and as you guys know, they had sent me a while back, it was sometime last year, they had sent me a whole, like, I did a consultation with their nurse, and they put together, like, it had retinol in it and niacinamides in it, all kinds of stuff, and it does work really, really well. I had some people ask when I did my empties video, why didn't I stick with it? And I just didn't sign up with it. I already see like a skincare doctor, so I get my retinol from her. But this is way more than a moisturizer, and I would say this is definitely looks to be like a deluxe sample. Yeah, this is a deluxe sample because I have gotten their moisturizer before. It's a good moisturizer. So I think that if you are looking and need skincare help as far as like maybe breakouts, clogged pores, anti-aging, and you might want to definitely consider Curology. I'm not being like paid or sponsored or anything like that. Like I said, I used it for a few months and I enjoyed it, but I just didn't sign up for like a monthly Curology account or anything. And then the last item I see in here is called Win Glamour Base, a biocellular sheet mask. I love sheet masks. I love sheet masks. I always feel so like bougie. Okay, so this does have a retail value of $7. WinBeautyUs.com. You can pick it up there and receive a 20% off coupon if you use the code Allure20. So it just says, when you need a fabulous base for a flawless skin, prepare with Win Glamour Base. So again, this goes right back to what I said in the beginning. You get to try out brands you may not have heard about before, and we got some full-size products in here, guys. So this month's box, I believe, like I said, I think it is May. I think this is a really good box. I mean, a lot of skincare. It's skincare heavy. Got a primer in there, but you guys know I love skincare products, so I'm okay with that. Real quick, let's go over what is on my face. Now I did, or if it's not already up, it will be very soon over on my Instagram. I did like a whole tutorial showing everything. But on my eyes, I have the Natasha Denona Love Palette on. And on my cheeks, I do have the Natasha Denona. This is the Love Glow Palette. Oh my god, I love this so much. Love it so much. Instead of me going through each and everything, because it's already like 15 minutes in, check me out over on my Instagram. I'll pop it up over here. Follow me on TikTok and Twitter as well, HotmessMomma4. You can follow me everywhere with that. I'm gonna hop off and enjoy my little skinny margarita that the hubs made me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. Let me know if you picked up the Allure Beauty Box, what your thoughts were. Did you think it was worth the $15 plus tax? And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!